Hello. This is the story of a shop where CNC machine downtime was 3 hours a day due to late starting at shift start and early stopping at the shift end. This is 14% of the total available time. It was completely eliminated after Leanworks was installed. The firm is an automobile parts manufacturer with 39 CNC machines connected to Leanworks. Machines are turning centers, VMCs, and HMCs that work 3 shifts of 8 hours each. Before Leanworks was implemented for CNC machine monitoring, in every shift the production started late and ended early. The highest downtimes were at the end of the second shift and start and end of the third shift. The average downtime was 1 hour per shift, effectively reducing the production capacity by a factor of 1/8. After Leanworks was implemented for CNC machine monitoring, the machine downtime dropped by about 25% on its own without any action just 2 days later. Leanworks was connected to all the machines. In 3 weeks, the machine downtime reduced to less than 5% of what it used to be earlier. And the production quantities increased proportionately by 12%. How did the transformation happen? Leanworks has a special feature for machine downtime tracking at the start and end of every shift and shows this as a separate report. Each day's report was emailed to the shop head the next morning automatically. After a couple of weeks of quiet observation, the report from the CNC machine monitoring for the previous day was printed every day for all machines. This was put on the shop notice board every morning. Everybody now knew everybody else's shift change downtime. It became difficult for people to continue with what is essentially a poor work ethics issue. Here are some of the Leanworks reports that the firm used to achieve the transformation. Firm and machine names have been changed to protect the identity of the firm.